Hello everyone, myself Munish, and let's start with the recording. So most language models can give you an answer, but they won't show their work. Ask them to solve a math problem, and you get a number. Ask them to write code, and you get a solution, but no explanation of reasoning behind it. So this is a problem for education, software development, and mainly for medical purposes, where transparency really matters. So today I will show you how I used Google Tunix library to tackle this solution, to tackle this problem. And let's start with the prompt. So here I used a prompt structure called a DUP framework, deeply understanding the problems. So this prompt structure follows three stages here. So first one, extracting the core question, what exactly needs to be solved. And stage two is extracting the critical information where we extract what are the key facts and the constraints are needed to solve this problem. And the third stage is the reasoning process. So this stage uses the information from about two stages and works through the problem step by step. And firstly, next one is let's start with the dataset that I created and how it can be used for the training. So I trained on three distinct task types. First, math reasoning, code generation, and the general question and answers. So the same prompt structure adapts to the all three domains generally, and the model learns when to show calculations, when to uh, outline algorithms, and when to recall facts. So this multitask approach prevents overfitting and pulls the framework really generalizes well to the other domains as well. And coming to the training, I used GRPO as the training purpose here. So GRPO is brilliant because this generalizes well and reducing the memory usage about really more than 40%. So the reward functions I used here are for two for the format compliance, ensuring the structured output, and one for math compliance, math correctness, validating the numerical answers, and the three reward functions for code quality, for code correctness, syntax, and style, and one for question and answers accuracy, which is semantic answer matching. And each response gets scored across all dimensions. So GRPO uses these combined reward functions to teach the model what makes a good response, not just correct answers, but properly structured and the explainable ones. And coming to the results, we can see that the math accuracy has doubled from 28 to 56%, and code accuracy really up more than 50%. And QA maintained at the 65, proving we didn't cause any catastrophic forgetting. And finally, the key takeaways for the developers are first, Tunix makes GRPO training really accessible, and second, the prompt engineering really matters, and the third one is the multi-reward system really work. So don't optimize for just one metric. Teach the models with different multiple domains and the multi rewards.